Angamardana as a system has many dimensions to it. One is pure physical culture, to bring fitness into one's life. To be fit is not about showing off your muscle. To be fit means to be able to go through life in such a way that your body was not even the issue. The body was never an obstacle in your life. Whether you want to run up the mountain or you want to sit here absolutely absorbed into your meditation, or you want to transcend the very physicality and go elsewhere, whatever you wish to do, your body was never the hurdle or the obstacle in your life. That means you're fit. If we want to look at the benefits, to have a body which is not a nuisance, to have a body which cooperates with you no matter what you wish to do, is a tremendous boon. Most people don't even know what it means, because if they sit, their ankles are hurting. If they stand, their hips will hurt and back will hurt. If they lie down, of course, back will hurt. If they have to sit up and do something, their head will hurt. Whatever they try to do, something will hurt. Angamardana is a beautiful way of preparing the human mechanism to a higher possibility. In terms of health, in terms of its aerobic exercise that it creates for a person, and also the muscle tone that it brings about without bringing rigidity into the body, without you becoming like a toad. To have the necessary muscle but without becoming rigid in the body, Angamardana is a beautiful tool. This is an ancient system which has many levels and dimensions of practice attached to it.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength, now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the